welcome to my cooking show. We'll have a lot of surprises along the way, so keep watching and let's start. The first thing to do is... What are you doing here? I'm busy with my show, so get out of here, man. Anyways, the first thing we need to do is... The ingredients are tomatoes, some onions, salt, flour, and meat. What could it be, huh? I don't know, so keep watching. Now, we have to put all this in a blender and mix everything. Now that all the ingredients are mixed, let's put in the super lighting food machine 7000 and see what it brings to us. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most awesome sandwich. Now let's consume. Well, next time I'm not using this my side again. Well, that's all folks. See you all in the next edition.